evening, ma'am. My name is G. Vinesh Chaudhary. I am from 8th. My topic name is solar energy. Solar energy means collecting energy from sun. The two devices which are used to collect energy from sun are solar panels and solar thermal collectors. Solar panels are made up of photovoltaic cells. Photovoltaic cells absorb heat rays from sun and convert them into electricity. The process of this phenomena is photovoltaic. Next, solar thermal collector. Solar thermal collector is basically a bowl-shaped dish. It is made up of mirrors. It will reflect the rays from sun and it will form a big ray. It is usually used to ignite coal in and produce electricity in our state. Next, this solar energy is invented by Edmond Berthiaume. He is a French physicist. He invented this when he was 19 in his father's laboratory, and he invented this while researching in photovoltaic effect. Thank you. This is a solar panel. If you can observe carefully, you can observe the photovoltaic cells inside it. Thank you.